Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Dress to Impress Twitch code from mobile phone. Okay, as we know guys that Dress to Impress has just collaborated with Twitch and we will get special item called Twitch Wings if we watch one of the streamer who's playing Dress to Impress. So first of all, of course, you need to open up your Twitch and then you need to watch the live like this, for example. Okay, you can watch the live at least 30 minutes to get the reward. And after 30 minutes, you will get notification. Let's say that I have watched the live for 30 minutes and then we're going to open up the notification, go to the activity menu. Okay, and as you can see, I have received a reward for Dress to Impress, and you will get the code that you can redeem. So this is my code, guys. And for your information, each code has 10 ESs. So actually, you can redeem my code here to get the Twitch Cyberpunk Wings. And I have already redeemed for 2 accounts. So here we have 8 ESs left. You can redeem it if you want. Okay, and from here, you just need to copy the code. And then you can open up your Roblox and play the Dress to Impress. Wait, let me open it. Open up the Roblox and go to the Dress to Impress. Wait. Okay, just go to the codes item here and you can enter the code. Okay. Oops, sorry. And you can go to the changing room to check the Twitch Wings. Okay guys, and this is for the Twitch Wings. That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem Dress to Impress Twitch code from mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.